Leaving Columbus, Georgia, I'm crossing the Chattahoochee River into Phenix City, Alabama. I'm Danny, and welcome to my channel, Dannovator, where my experiences become your adventure. If you like the unique and unusual, then you came to the right place. Remember to please subscribe, and please hit that bell so you'll be notified when I release my next video. Well, let's go explore the Phenix City Riverwalk. This area was once known as Girard, a place many refer to as the site of one of the last battles of the Civil War. Phenix City itself didn't exist yet. It was formed in 1897 when two towns, Brownville to the north and Girard here in Russell County, were joined together into one. So this is now the Russell County Judicial Center, but I believe it used to be the Russell County Courthouse. Maybe because this building across the street still has Courthouse Annex wrote on it. And across from the courthouse is the old post office. Located near the courthouse and the old post office is a statue of one of Phenix City's local heroes. Albert Patterson ran for Alabama Attorney General in 1954, promising to clean up crime and corruption that once ruled this town. Before he could take office, he was assassinated. On June 18, 1954, Albert left his law office, which is across the street, and according to this picture, the best I can tell is that he was assassinated, so somewhere right in there. The National Guard was sent in, and the grip of organized crime began to be broken. After Albert Patterson was killed, his son John was later elected Attorney General, and that's when this town really began to change. And when you think about the name Phenix City, it almost feels fitting, a place meant to rise out of the ashes which once defined it. The Phenix City Riverwalk starts here, north of the courthouse. So let's start heading south and see what we can find. The first thing I notice is this bench. And by the way, is anybody missing a shoe? I think it's about a little over a mile back to the Dillingham Bridge, where I'll be crossing back over to where I'm parked at over by the Coca-Cola Center. This is part of the old City Mill Dam. This sign says Rush South Whitewater Park. And that's where you can go get on a kayak and go through the rapids. And in the distance is the city of Columbus. Here's a neat little sandy spot. The Phoenix, Alabama side also has some pretty good scenic views of the Chattahoochee River. I'm sure they keep the water levels pretty low for the kayak whitewater rapids. This shot would have been epic. It's just missing the train. I wonder if those geese ever went over the rapids. The Alabama Riverwalk's been pretty quiet. It's a Monday afternoon. I guess everybody just saves it for the weekend. That building over there reminds me of Cyberdyne from the Terminator movies. It's starting to get dark, and I really don't want to be on the Riverwalk at nighttime. And I'm hoping that the Dillingham Street Bridge has a sidewalk across it. If not, it's gonna be tough. Located by the Troy University campus building is the Phoenix, the mythical Phoenix. And right up the hill, where I can barely see, is Phoenix's local hero. By the pedestrian bridge at the Marriott, there's some water effects for the pool. And here's the pedestrian bridge where I started my adventure today. There's another look at the pedestrian bridge. And here's some of the rapids. Now this statue, it looks pretty painful. And in case you get in trouble on the trail, they have this night scope recording for your safety, but it's not plugged in. There's some of the stores in Phoenix. I see a Dollar Tree and a Piggly Wiggly. Here's some kind of ruins. I don't know if it's part of an old dam or what, but it extends over here. Now we come to the fork in the road. The city's that way, but we want to go this way. I'm coming up on a staircase here, so let's go down, check out what's at the bottom. When we're up there looking down at these ruins, this is what it looks like here at the bottom. And here's another scenic view across the Chattahoochee River. And right over there is the Eagle and Phoenix Mill. As you can see, it was quite the challenge to get over there and catch that view. On the Phoenix side of the Riverwalk, I see that there's some disc golf nets. Well, I can smell some wood burning. So I guess some people's getting those chimneys ready for this cold spell we're fixing to get. Now this is an interesting placard. The Creek Indians believe that this section of the river was once home of a giant monster known as the tie snake. Remind me never to swim here. And here's the other end of the zip line. So you're launched from over there, and you zoom across the Chattahoochee River to here. And it looks like there's a walking platform here also. Here's another one of those call boxes. I wonder if red means all you gotta do is push the button and you can get some assistance in case you need it. Looks like over here is a smaller zip line. And here's some more walking platforms. So I wonder if this water fountain works. Nope. I think this little waterway is known as Mills Creek. I believe that's what I read. There's another one of those disc golf nets. And over there is the Dillingham. Well, welcome back. My phone had died, so let's try to finish this adventure. As I was saying, there's one of those disc golf nets, and across the Chattahoochee River is Columbus, Georgia. And right there is a Dillinger Bridge that I hope has a sidewalk that I could walk across instead of fighting that traffic, because my car is on the other side. So it appears if you zip line from Alabama over into Georgia, then you can join up on that taller tower over there on the Georgia side and then zip line back to Alabama and vice versa. It appears that we're at the end of the trail. The Phenix City Amphitheater definitely has a scenic backdrop. Tucked behind the Phenix City Amphitheater sign is a little phoenix bird statue. Across from the Phenix City Amphitheater is the new Russell County Courthouse. I'm keeping my fingers crossed to see if they got a sidewalk here that crosses the bridge. Well, thank goodness they do. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed my video today of us exploring the Phenix City Riverwalk. If you did, make sure you give me a thumbs up. And always remember, your adventure awaits with the Dannovator. I will see y'all the next time.